Autodesk Vault 2024 is here and ready to deliver enhancements that will enable you to accelerate your overall design creation and data management experience. Here are the highlights. Use the new copy folder functionality to copy a folder's original structure, including subfolders, folder permissions, and properties. It's an effective way to quickly organize your data and help teams adopt engineering standards. Similar to automatic PDF creation, we've now added the ability to automatically publish and manage DXF and step files. This can be triggered by a lifecycle state or manually through the toolbar and context menu. These files can then be stored inside Vault or externally in a designated shared folder that mimics the Vault folder structure. This will greatly improve productivity and streamline the design release process, allowing your teams to focus more on what matters most. When approving designs in Vault, you can now configure a peer review check that must be met before a state change can occur. This will ensure that someone else on the team be required to review the design before being allowed to move to the next state in the process. This functionality can be used to facilitate delegation of authority and increase transparency. When it comes to protecting your data, we've added many enhancements to the backup and restore functionality for Vault. To start, you can now choose to only back up the databases without any files. You can also selectively choose which Vault and libraries you want to have backed up. You now have an option to use an existing file store location during the restore operation. There is also an option to exclude the file store validation during a restore. As a result, the restore operation will be completed faster and the file store validation could be executed at a later time. Lastly, you can now redirect the Vault to a new file store location. This allows the administrator to prepare a new location for the file store while the existing file store is being used. Once the new location is ready, redirect a Vault to the new location without having to move files during the operation. All of these enhancements are geared toward giving the Vault administrator more flexibility for backup and restore operations for large environments. Each release of Autodesk Vault includes productivity-enhancing functionality, streamline workflows, improve collaboration, and take control of your product development process with Autodesk Vault 2024.